Today we are going to learn about symmetry. Symmetry for regular 2D shapes. What is regular 2D shapes? A 2D shape with all sides and angles are same. We can call that 2D shape as a regular 2D shape. Let's go for one example. Here we are going to check lines of symmetry for an equilateral triangle. That is, total lines of symmetry for an equilateral triangle is 3. Here is one equilateral triangle. This is a regular shape because all sides are same and all angles are same. Again we want to consider the number of sides. Here we can see 3. Number of sides equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. That is odd number of sides. How to draw lines of symmetry for this? That is, take the vertex, then middle of the opposite sides, draw one line, then this line make the given shape into 2 equal parts. Similarly, we can draw from here also, vertex to middle of the opposite side, then it divide the given shape into 2 equal parts, then from here also. So this way we can draw 3 lines, and that 3 lines divide the given equilateral triangle into equal parts. So we can call this one as lines of symmetry. That is, lines of symmetry for an equilateral triangle is 3. Now goes to another example. This is a rectangle. Rectangle is not a regular shape. Yet also I am mentioning here. Just want to share the number of lines of symmetry for a rectangle. Here we know opposite pairs of a rectangle are same. Opposite pairs are same. How to draw lines of symmetry for this? Here you can see a rectangle 4 sides, that is even number of sides. The possible way to draw lines of symmetry is from here. Divide the given rectangle into 2 equal parts. Again from here. That is 2 lines of symmetry we can draw. We cannot draw from diagonal wise. Why? Because if you draw diagonal, if you take one A4 size paper or a rectangular piece of paper and to fold that one in diagonal wise, you cannot make that one into 2 equal parts. So only possible way is you have to fold like this way or another way. So lines of symmetry for a rectangle is equal to 2. Now goes to another one. Here this is a square. A square is a regular shape and it has 4 equal sides. So how to draw lines of symmetry for this? Here the number of sides is 4, that is even number of sides. For any even number of sides you have to draw, first you have to take one side and opposite of other side draw one line like this. Again from other side, opposite sides middle. It is this way you can make 2 lines of symmetry. Next you can draw from here. That is from the vertex to opposite vertex. Again opposite vertex is here. Again you have to draw like this. So total how many lines we draw? 4 lines of symmetry. So number of lines of symmetry for a square is 4. Now goes to pentagon. How many sides are there? 5 sides. That is odd number of sides. For any odd number of sides, how can we draw lines of symmetry for this? That is, take the vertex, then middle of the opposite sides, then make that one into, then join one line through this. That line divide the given shape into 2 equal parts like this. Vertex to the middle of the opposite side. Again from here, that is, we can draw one line through this, and again from another vertex, again from this vertex, again from this vertex. Yes, we will get 5 lines of symmetry. So number of lines of symmetry for a regular pentagon is 5. That is, 5 sides are there. Lines of symmetry is equal to 5. Again for a hexagon, how many sides? This is a regular hexagon. 6 sides are there. The number of sides equal to 6 means that is even number of sides. So how to draw for an even number of sides? First you have to take one side and opposite side, then take middle of the first side and middle of the opposite side, then join one line like this, one line. Then again here 2, then these two sides over, then again one 2 sides remaining. You can draw one line like this. Next you have to take from here to its opposite vertex is here, opposite vertex. Yes. Then from here to opposite vertex 5, then here to 6. Total how many lines of symmetry we can draw? 6 lines of symmetry for a regular hexagon is 6. From all these examples we can conclude that for any regular 2D shapes, number of sides and lines of symmetry both are same. That is, number of sides is equal to number of lines of symmetry. Thank you for watching.